Hi, bread friends. This is your crazy baker chick, Ellen. I have to talk to you about yeast because I'm getting this question a lot. Sorry for the pretty much no makeup, and I have a skin cancer thing that I have to have removed in a couple weeks. So just disregard. I don't know why I'm even calling your attention to it. So you know from watching my videos that I only use SAF instant yeast, and there are two kinds. I think there's only two kinds. There's the red label and there's the gold label. So I use the red label for normal bread dough or rolls, anything that isn't a pretty sweet dough. Okay, so I call that, the line is at 40 grams of combined, if it's just sugar or if it's sugar and honey or molasses or anything, 40 grams or more total of sugar of some kind. I use the gold yeast, and that helps it rise better. Gold label yeast, SAF gold label yeast. Otherwise, for less than 40 grams of sugar, honey, molasses, whatever combined, I use the red label. So for normal, not sweet, I use the red label, SAF instant. And for 40 grams, 41 grams, up whatever, 45 grams, I use the gold label for sweeter doughs. So for example, my cinnamon rolls, I would obviously use the gold label. For my rye bread, it doesn't have that much sugar. I think it's 10 grams of brown sugar. Obviously, I would use the SAF red label. So all you have to do is look at the recipe. If it's above 40 grams, you need the gold. If it's below, approximately, you use the red. Okay? So that is the big explanation of that. Bye.